What's up, fellas? I'm doing a jb-weld high temp application update. I put this eyepiece on my wood burner heater about 4 or 5 years ago, I think, and this thing sees 500 degrees on a regular basis. It's not quite there yet, but as you can see, it definitely sees 400 all the time. And I run this thing all day. I sometimes run it almost every day of the week when I'm out here working on stuff in the shop. And this thing is on there just as good as the day I put it on there. It's solid as a rock. I'm very impressed that it's held up that well. I'm pretty sure that I didn't clean it up very good when I put that on. I think I just kind of gave it a quick brush over. And anyone who is just wanting information on the actual durability of high temp application with jb-weld, I can't give you guys any like force testing or anything like that, but just for something like this, or even as a sealant, as a high temp application sealant, like on exhaust systems and stuff like that, this stuff is holding up really good. And I just wanted to share that because I know that when I first used it, the first thing I did was got online and tried to see if anyone had actually used it in a high temp application, and if they did, what happened. I also want to share another thing with you. When I put this on here, I threw the jb-weld on there and threw this right on the burner. I had a different glass dome that I set on there, and I used the heat to dry it. It was dry within like 10 minutes. So heat curing this stuff does work. I don't know that I would recommend it on anything you consider structural, but the heat curing on this particular application was pretty amazing. I was very impressed with how well it worked out. It was on there solid as a rock within an hour, completely cured. I only had it up to temperatures around 250 to 300 that day, but nonetheless, just wanted to share that with you guys, that that high temp jb-weld is definitely some good stuff. I want to say this was not JB Quick. JB Quick has a lower heat rating. I can't remember what it actually is, but I'm pretty sure the jb-weld, the regular, is 500 degrees. I'm sitting here looking at what did I just do there. Oh boy. That's part of my jacket. Sorry, I paused like, what the hell is that? Yeah, I licked myself just a little bit there. Just goes to show you how hot that son of a gun is. Melting your damn shirt right off your body. I'm heating up some waste oil here. I probably might want to move that a little bit. The radiation coming off this thing's incredible. But anyway, there you have it. Definitely recommending the jb-weld high temp application, and also the heat curing. If you guys have ever considered heat curing it, don't be afraid to do it. It works great. I think I even read something about that somewhere, but I'm speculating at this point. In the back of my mind, it seems like I remember. Yuck. Starting to smell like burnt shirt. So there you go, just a little quick piece of information that may be very valuable to somebody. I know it was to me when I first looked for it, and no such video exists. So as a content creator, I kind of feel obligated to post this. I hope this helps someone out. If it does, leave a comment in the video, man. Make me feel like I'm not doing this all in vain, because I sure as hell ain't making any money off of it. I also enjoy helping people out with technical questions and things like that. So I'm not all in this for the money, fellas. It really is kind of neat to be able to provide people with information they need and want, because I'm the type of person that's just soaking it up every day, constantly in books and technical data. I've been that way my whole life. I'm like some kind of crazed bookworm.